Today's topic, 1/64 scale die-cast cars. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. Let's start with the cheapy ones first. I'll start off with the Matchbox here. I think I got this in 2010. ZR1 Corvette C6. Nice little details on this car. The supercharger hood. The back has detail, painted tail lights, C6 Corvette logos painted. It has a license plate, but no chrome tailpipe. And then we got this one's a Hot Wheels, and this is a Maisato. I don't have any Maisatos in the packaging. They have Maisato uses really cheap packaging, and the bubble separates from the card, so this is the only one I have to share. I had when all the muscle cars came out in, I think, 2008, I bought all the Maisatos, Camaro, Challenger right here, and a Mustang. I don't know where the Camaro and Mustang went, but I still have this Challenger from Maisato. So here's the Challenger. It feels lighter than a Hot Wheel. I think this is the cheapest one, but they had cheap packaging, but it's pretty nice. Details in the back. You can see the SRT on the spoiler. The front's painted. No chrome tailpipes. Now when you look at the Hot Wheel, this one's a Hellcat. It has the Hellcat logo on it, which is nice, but the front's not painted, and the back's okay. The back's painted, but yeah, that's weird they didn't paint the front, and no chrome tailpipe. And the Maisato's a tiny bit bigger, actually, like a tiny bit, see? And then when you look at this Hot Wheel, this was from 2000, Ferrari 355. They painted the chrome, or the tailpipes chrome, which is a really nice touch. But they didn't paint the headlights, or the headlights, the rear lights. They didn't paint it, but they got the chrome tailpipe. So it's almost cool, but they got lazy. Goofy graphics. I don't like this about this car. I like the 355, but I don't like the goofy graphics, but the 355. Just don't look at it from the top. Look at it from the side, then it's nice. But yeah, nice detail, making the tailpipes chrome, but check this out. So I got this one like last week, a brand new Hot Wheel, old car, and I like that. I like when they put the actual car on the card, which they didn't do here or here, but they did it with this, so the packaging is really attractive. But again, no chrome tailpipe. They didn't make it shiny, so they did it way back in 2000, but they didn't do it in 2018 or 19, I think 18. 2017, I guess this was, they still had some left. And then I got that Hellcat in 2015, so for some reason in 2000, they put some color in the tailpipe. Then they forgot after 2000, I guess. So let's go ahead and look at a little more premium one, Johnny Lightning. I think it was $1.50 for this. The card's really thick card. It'll take effort, more effort to bend. It's just paper, of course you can bend it, but it's thicker for sure. See? That's nice. GMC Typhoon. I was pretty happy to see this when I saw it at the store. My first car was a S10 Blazer, so you know, I wanted my S10 Blazer to be as fast as a Typhoon when I was a kid. So that's a Johnny Lightning. And then a more premium Hot Wheel right here in a much nicer package. But when you look at the car, no chrome tailpipe. And Corvette trivia, I want to say the 97 to 2000 C5 Corvettes had a black tailpipe, and they made them chrome. In 2000 to 2004, they chromed them out, made them nicer, not just plain black, but yeah, this one's just plain, but it has the details. Corvette in the back, tail lights are painted, the turn signals are painted. It's nice. And then we'll look at a Johnny Lightning, a premium Johnny Lightning. This one's really nice. This one's really nice. So this is a standard C5 Corvette. This is a Johnny Lightning. So the standard C5 Corvette was a hatchback. Johnny Lightning, or the Z06 was a notchback, so it had a trunk. So they got the little details right of the Z06 emblem, brake ducts. The exhaust is chromed out like it's supposed to be. Very nice. And Z06 specific air intake screen is there. This is a really nice one, but they got the rims wrong. And the representing picture here is not a Z06, no brake ducts, not Z06 rims. So they got the rims wrong. Almost got it right, but I do like this toy a lot. Alright, what's next? Another Corvette, one more Corvette. No, actually, I have two more Corvettes. Fast and the Furious Racing Champions. I just got it because it's a Corvette. C5 Corvette never had a spoiler, so I think that's dumb. I like it when factories put spoilers on cars, but I don't think you should put it if that's not what the manufacturer intended, the engineers intended. So I don't like the wing, but it is an off-brand Racing Champions. I mean, I never heard of them, but yeah, that wing there. The new ZR1 Corvette has a wing, but it belongs there. It serves a purpose, but yeah, that's just tacked on. That's weird. Okay. This is really nice. Autoworld. It has the car printed on the package. Another picture of the car. It just looks good. Everything's painted. I think in the 60s, a lot of exhausts were turned down, so I can't speak for the accuracy of the exhaust on this car, but man, everything looks good. Really detailed for a little car, 1/64 scale Autoworld. And then I saw this the other day. I bought this the other day. I think this was like $4, so yeah, much more than $1. $4 for this, made in the USA. That's cool. Nothing's made in America anymore. Mallory ignition. I wish it didn't have all these graphics on it because it's a C3 Corvette. It would have been sweet if it was a straight up C3 Corvette without all these Mallory on the side. That kind of hurts it, but still, I saw this. I'm like, wow, that's a nice car. And then one more. Fresh Cherries by Moto Max. Look at this thing. It's a Pacer. Very nice. And the Pacer's printed on the package. But why Fresh Cherries? That's weird. There you go. And a little factoid. I like that. Let's look at the back of the packages. Wow, it shows how much parts are actually in these cars. That's really cool. No factoids here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. I like it when they talk about the cars a little. Nothing there. Nothing there. Oh, there you go. Talks about the ZR1's horsepower here. I like that. I like it when they do that. And nothing here. So the winner chicken dinner is this guy right here. It has facts.